It's the second week of mass turkey season. We're set up on a little pasture, and we got a bird ripping near the road behind us. I watched him go to roost last night from my bedroom window behind us, because we're in my backyard food plot right now. Backyard birds 2016. I hit a bird a couple days ago. I had a great hunt, but he didn't go down, he got away. So I need redemption. As you can tell, this guy's pretty fired up. He's got 2 hens. He was strutting around here yesterday, and then they went up to roost above the swamp. So stick with us. It's Nobitchin outdoors. We're on some backyard birds. Jeremy's running the camera. It's redemption day. Let's see if we can get a turkey down with the bow. Let's do this. So the game begins. He probably did that because he can see the decoys. It's too dark in here. Okay. Gotcha. Redemption.
Tell me you got was your GoPro on?
Heck yeah, it's on.
Yeah, buddy. Well, that was easy.
Really embarrassed. This is a 3-year-old.
All right.
Yeah.
Dude, you did it. We finally got something in your backyard.
That was awesome.
Oh, man. Yeah, dude. Yeah.
Right in my backyard the day before I moved. Good bird, dude. Good spurs. Yeah.
Congrats, buddy.
Thank you. Thank you. You know what I was telling myself, and it makes such a big difference when you're not running the camera, obviously.
Take your time.
Well, yeah, you have time to, like, I focused more on, like, am I level? Is my grip good? Am I
Yeah.
perfect?
You don't got to worry about the shot.
Right. And then you know what else is the key to those bullheads? Is I noticed this when I was practicing with them. They shoot left all the time, which is kind of my natural torque anyway. And that probably makes it worse with these. And I knew, because I didn't do this the other day when I hit that bird, I need to put my pin on the right side of the throat. Literally, that half an inch makes a difference. And I hit him square, freaking square.
Dude, dropped like a ton of bricks.
I hit him square in the throat, like the middle. I'm surprised I didn't get a decap.
Dude. Yeah, buddy.
Thanks for coming over.
Hey, man.
Yeah.
I had a good feeling. Like, if you roost that bird, I'm coming over. I'm filming you.
With all the
I'm filming you.
all the action here yesterday afternoon. They were here all day. All right, how's it going? It's Friday, May 6th. It is only 5:30 in the morning right now. No, it's about 5:40. And I got my backyard bird down. This guy came into my backyard yesterday. He was strutting for a couple of hens that have been kind of passing through. They've been nesting back here for about a week probably. No toms though. And then yesterday afternoon this guy showed up. I watched him go to bed. Called Jeremy up. He had the morning free, so he came over to film me. Team Nobitchin got another public land turkey down with a bullhead arrow. My nemesis. I hit one 2 days ago and I didn't find him, even though I hit him in the throat with one of the blades and he was bleeding a little bit. But he hightailed it and I never got him, so this morning was redemption. A 20-yard shot on the DSD decoys. And I'm not gonna lie, dude. We've had 3 toms this year that have seen that decoy and every one of them stood right next to it and wanted to fight. So that thing's kind of been a game changer for me already this year. You just gotta get the toms to get a good look at it. So awesome hunt, Jeremy. Thanks for coming. Got it done. Finally got a bird down.
That was awesome.
And it's early enough where we can go back to bed if we wanted, but
no, we're gonna go chase some
grab
more.
the shotgun and let's go chase some more birds. Get Jeremy one this morning. There's still a lot of morning left.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you for the next one. The season is young. There's still 2 more weeks, so no bitching outdoors.
Congrats,
Stay
buddy.
with us. Thanks.